A surprise legal decision for Tampa Bay Rays shortstop Wander Franco. Today, a panel of judges in the Dominican Republic overturned his suspended sentence in a sexual abuse case and ordered a new trial.
That's right. The original verdict did not include prison time, but prosecutors are pushing for more. If Franco is convicted again, he could face up to 5 years in prison. News Channel 8's Georgia MacArthur joins us live in Tampa with more on the legal implications behind this decision. Georgia.
Yeah, Stacey and Josh, legal experts tell us overturning a conviction is a major win for any defendant. However, it does open the door for new arrests for Wander Franco. A court in the Dominican Republic has agreed to give Wander Franco a new trial, setting aside the 2-year suspended sentence he was facing in a sexual abuse case. Franco was arrested last year after being accused of having a 4-month relationship with a girl who was 14 at the time and transferring thousands of dollars to her mother to consent to the illegal relationship.
But now that his conviction's been overturned, I would imagine his lawyers are going to try to get him back on the team and fulfill the contract. But then we have to wait to see if they do grant a new trial and then what the outcome of that new trial may be. But that could be the ultimate goal. Today's
ruling comes after Franco's attorneys had to push to have his conviction suspended and sentencing overturned, while prosecutors had been seeking a 5-year sentence. Legal analysts say new trials usually happen when courts find serious problems in how a case was presented the first time.
If there's any defect in the way the case was presented, any defect in the way the facts were presented, any mistakes made by the judge, any mistakes made by the prosecutor, then that would justify in any jurisdiction, especially here in the United States, a court to say, hey, he was deprived of a fair trial, so let's give him a new one.
Criminal defense attorney Brian Camerino says a new trial also means everything starts from zero.
You start from scratch. If they grant a new trial, you start from scratch. The problem is it gives the state now the opportunity, the prosecutor, the opportunity to say, well, whatever mistakes we made the first time, we're not going to make it again the second time.
And if Franco is convicted again, Camerino says there is a possibility he could face more than he did before.
You know, he could absolutely face more than what he was sentenced to. But generally speaking, most judges don't like to punish you just because you won on appeal. You know, they don't want to be accused of being vindictive.
And right now, there is no timeline for when that new trial could start. But as far as an overturned conviction, legal experts say that just also means that Franco's baseball future and his legal future are back in question. Reporting live in Tampa, I'm Georgia MacArthur, 8 on your side.